In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change units in AutoCAD drawing. We'll start right inside your drawing. On your keyboard, type units and press enter. This opens the drawing units dialog, which controls how AutoCAD interprets and reports units in the file. Here, look for the drop-down labeled insertion scale. This setting tells AutoCAD what unit to assume when you insert content like blocks or external references. Choose the unit you want to work in, such as millimeters, centimeters, inches, or feet. After you make your selection, confirm the dialog to apply it. It's important to understand what just changed and what didn't. Adjusting the insertion scale sets the environment for how new content comes in, but it does not automatically rescale any geometry that already exists in your drawing. Lines, polylines, and objects will remain exactly the same size on screen. So, if your project needs to shift from one unit system to another, you will need to manually scale everything yourself to match the new unit choice. A helpful approach is to identify a known real-world distance in your drawing. Compare it to what AutoCAD reports, and apply a single, consistent scale factor across your model. Keep an eye on annotation objects, blocks, and hatches to ensure they stay proportional after scaling. As a best practice, save a backup before you make broad changes, so you can roll back if needed. Next, let's address how your dimensions display units. If you want to change the units shown in dimension text, first click to select a dimension in your drawing. This helps you reference the style currently in use. Now, type DIMST and press Enter to open the Dimension Style Manager. In the list, select the dimension style you are using, then click Modify. In the Modify dialog, find the field for suffix under the Primary Unit section. Here, you can add or replace the unit label you want displayed, such as mm or in. Click OK to close the dialog, and then close the manager. Your selected dimension style will now append that suffix to the dimension values. Keep in mind, adding a suffix is purely a display choice. It does not convert the measurement itself. It simply labels the number so readers understand the intended unit. If your drawing contains multiple dimension styles, repeat this process for each one you actively use. That's all. With these changes, your drawing's environment is set to the correct unit system, and your dimensions clearly communicate the units your audience expects.